If I could turn back the clock and make sure the light defeated the dark, I'd spend every hour of every day keeping you safe.
Lagi mong isama si Lord sa mga plano mo sa buhay. Dapat, kahit gaano pa kalayo ang marating mo, wag na wag kang makakalimot kung saan ka nagsimula. Dati yung mga bagay na meron ka ngayon, laman niyan ng mga prayers mo noon. Dapat kung natupad na, mas lalo kang maging faithful kay Lord. Be grateful always.
Thank you so much. Love you more forever and ever. The best mother in the whole world, Nene Liesl, and Nene, for the gift of life with God forever be treasured.